So here's the camera. We're going to start by putting in the battery. Open the lid in the bottom, put in the battery, and close the lid again. On the side we're going to put in the SD card. Just push it in, and a little push will get it back out. We're going to flip out the screen. It's a touch screen that gives you access to all the functions, but they can also be accessed from the buttons on the side or the wheel on top. Let's turn on the camera, put it in film mode. We're going to put it on manual to have as much control as possible. On the lens we can put it on autofocus, but we'll keep it on manual as that's easier to control when filming. Press the movie button to activate movie shooting, and we get our image. It is a bit dark, so we want to adjust the light. First we're going to adjust the shutter speed. A higher number gives a darker image and a lower number a more light image. We're going to put the shutter at 60. Second, there's the aperture. That's the hole that controls how much light is being let in. A smaller number is a bigger hole, and a larger number is a smaller hole letting less light in. So we're going to keep it at a small number to get a light image. The aperture also controls the depth of field. So a low number gives a narrow depth of field with the background blurred out. In this case we want a narrow depth of field to make the product stand out. The third thing is the ISO. That's the sensitivity of light. So a high number gives a lot of light, but it also compromises the quality. So we'll keep the ISO as low as possible. In this case 400 seems to be okay. We're going to zoom in a little to frame, and then use the zoom in button to make sure that we have the right focus. We can pan around, and by turning the focus ring we can get the tripod in front in focus. We can zoom in again to make sure that the focus is perfect. To get back in full view, just press the zoom button again. With the framing and exposure as we wanted, we can press the record button. The red dot shows us that we're filming, and the timestamp how long we've been filming. To stop, just press the record button again. To review, just press the play button, and we can see there's a film, and by pressing play we can review it. You can access controls by touching the screen, jump forward, pause, and so on. To erase a movie, just press the trash bin and choose erase. That's it, we're gonna turn off the camera. Remember to put the cap on.